Revamping your kitchen cookware can feel daunting, but what if you could find a set that does it all? Meet this Granitestone 20-piece non-stick cookware set, an all-inclusive collection designed to simplify your cooking and baking experiences while adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Featuring a durable diamond-reinforced non-stick coating and toxin-free materials, this cookware set is perfect for health-conscious cooks who value convenience and performance. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or hosting a gourmet dinner, the Granitestone cookware ensures seamless cooking, effortless cleanup, and years of reliability. Let's dive into the details to uncover why this set might just be your kitchen's new best friend. Key features: complete kitchen in a box. The Granitestone 20-piece cookware set is your one-stop solution for all cooking and baking needs. It includes fry pans, 8.5-inch and 10.25-inch, skillet with a lid. Baking essentials: XL cookie sheet, square baking pan, round baking pan, loaf pan, muffin pan. Specialty cookware: stainless steel steamer rack, frying basket, square shallow pan, and deep square casserole pan with lid. This versatile collection allows you to sauté, fry, bake, steam, and more, all with a single purchase. Long-lasting nonstick coating. The triple-layered nonstick coating, infused with diamonds, ensures effortless food release and minimal cleanup. Say goodbye to scraping burnt food and hello to healthier, oil-free cooking. This coating is metal utensil safe, standing up to daily use without wear or scratches. Durable and reliable, Granitestone cookware is built to last. Its solid aluminum composition ensures even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots for perfectly cooked meals. Whether you're using whisks, spatulas, or electric beaters, this cookware remains resilient and scratch-free. Health-conscious design. Cooking should be healthy and worry-free. The Granitestone set is 100% toxin-free, free of harmful chemicals like PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium. This ensures your family enjoys meals that are safe and delicious. Ease of use and maintenance. Thanks to its smooth, non-stick surface, cleaning up after cooking is a breeze. A quick wipe or a run through the dishwasher is all it takes to keep your cookware sparkling clean. Oven and stovetop compatibility. This cookware set is designed to be oven-safe and compatible with most stovetops, including gas, electric, halogen, and ceramic. However, it's not induction compatible. Withstanding temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, you can transition from stovetop to oven effortlessly. Performance review. Cooking experience. Cooking with the Granitestone set feels intuitive and satisfying. The non-stick surface ensures eggs glide off the pan, while the even heat distribution guarantees perfectly seared steaks and golden pancakes. The set's lightweight design makes handling easy, yet its durability stands up to rigorous daily use. Cleanup process. Hate washing dishes. The Granitestone cookware eliminates the hassle. Food residue slides off effortlessly, even after cooking sticky or greasy dishes. For those with dishwashers, this set is fully dishwasher-safe. Pros: all-in-one solution. A comprehensive set covering all cooking and baking needs. Exceptional non-stick coating. Healthier cooking with minimal oil or butter. Durable build. Scratch-resistant and metal utensil safe. Easy to clean, wipe clean surface and dishwasher compatibility. Toxin-free, safe for you and your family. Cons: not induction compatible. Limited stovetop compatibility for induction users. Handle heat retention. Handles may get warm during prolonged cooking, requiring caution. Why choose Granitestone cookware? The Granitestone 20-piece cookware set is ideal for busy households and aspiring chefs alike. Its durability, versatility, and non-stick performance make cooking a joy rather than a chore. Plus, the toxin-free design ensures peace of mind with every meal. Conclusion: this Granitestone 20-piece non-stick cookware set is a game-changer for anyone looking to elevate their kitchen experience. Its comprehensive selection of cookware and bakeware, combined with unparalleled durability and a diamond-reinforced non-stick coating, makes it a standout choice for both beginners and seasoned cooks. The toxin-free design ensures that your meals are not only delicious, but also safe for your family, while the easy cleanup saves time and effort. This set effortlessly balances style, functionality, and performance, proving that quality cookware can truly transform the way you cook and bake. Whether you're searing, steaming, baking, or frying, the Granitestone set delivers consistent results, making every meal a masterpiece. Backed by a 10-year guarantee, it's a reliable investment for years of hassle-free cooking. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.